It happened again. A dame gets green with envy, and I wind up with blood on my hands. This time, literally. It all began when I got an unsolicited knock on my door. It was Lady Wednesday. She must have heard I had a thing for hats. I bet she had a father complex, because she threw herself at me, like she was a dart and I was the target. Bullseye. I had a hat for pretty much every day of the week. Tuesday. No. Tried Thursday. Thursday wasn't working either. Last ditch effort I put on Saturday. Bet I guess the Sabbath wasn't her shtick. Never did have a hat for Wednesday, because I don't wear hats on Wednesdays. Except when it rains, or when I'm on the job, or when I'm sitting in the house doing nothing. Been thinking of buying another hat for some time now. Anyway, she ravaged me, but somebody was watching. I had a fight with the old lady. I think I scared Wednesday. Tried to calm her down, but her idea of being a good listener was hitting me over the head a few times with a hammer. She must have thought she killed me. She was person number 34 3/4 to make that mistake. I don't count the dwarf. It was raining, I was inside and on the job, so that meant a hat. I followed the evidence. Dame Wednesday had left an easy trail for me. Found her ripping apart dear old Mum. I did what I had to. So here I am now.
We're gonna have to lay low for a little while, Mum. Maybe we'll go to Mexico.
My hair! My hair! Look what's happened to my beautiful hair!
It'll never happen again, Mum. Never again.